Imagine this. More than 4,500 years ago, people built a massive monument in the desert of Egypt. They had no modern machines, no cranes, and no trucks. Yet, they created the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the most amazing structures in human history. But how did they do it? How could ancient people move huge stones and build a pyramid? The Great Pyramid was built around 4,500 years ago. During the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, millions of limestone blocks were used in its construction. Some of these stones were extremely heavy, weighing several tons. But the biggest question remains: how did the ancient Egyptians move these enormous stones without modern technology? But building the pyramid was not simply about moving stones. The ancient Egyptians had to measure every part with incredible accuracy. The pyramid was carefully aligned with the four directions of the compass, and its massive stones were placed layer by layer. Well, even today, historians and engineers are amazed by the precision of this ancient construction. But there is another mystery surrounding the pyramids. Their position and orientation show an extraordinary knowledge of the sky. The Great Pyramid was carefully aligned with the four cardinal directions. Egyptians moved these enormous stones. Some of the blocks weighed several tons. Historians believe they may have used wooden sledges, ropes, ramps, and large groups of workers. Water may also have been used to reduce friction and make the heavy stones easier to pull, but the exact method is still debated today. The Nile River may have played an important role in building the pyramids. Ancient Egyptians could transport heavy materials by boat along the river and its canals, bringing stone closer to the construction site. Some researchers also believe that the arrangement of the pyramids may have been connected to important stars in the ancient Egyptian sky. Was this simply careful engineering, or did the builders have a deeper connection with the stars? One of the biggest mysteries is how the Nile was the lifeline of ancient Egypt, providing water, food, transportation, and trade. Without this incredible river, building the pyramids may have been far more difficult. Look closely at these massive stones. The most impressive part is not only their size, but the precision with which many of them were placed. But one mystery remains. How did the ancient Egyptians move and place these enormous stones with such incredible precision? The builders created enormous walls and chambers using simple tools, careful measurements, and generations of accumulated knowledge. Even after thousands of years, the Great Pyramid remains a remarkable example of ancient engineering.